Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to insert a website into your C3 microcloud. Remember that the website folder should already be contained and all organized with the file structure inside your device. What you need to do is compress this folder. Then log into the system. Only teachers and administrators can do this by choosing the Content option, either from the menu on the left or from the main page. When you open the Contents page, click on Add. 4 options will appear. Click on the Files option, and then a box will open where you can drag the folder that has been compressed into it, or, as shown in this example, indicate the location on your computer where the compressed folder of the website to be uploaded is saved and click on Open. This will show you how much disk space this folder will require and how much space is still available on your C3 microcloud. Here, we will enter the name and description of the folder we are uploading. In addition, it is extremely important that the Extract All Files After Upload option is enabled. You can also choose the grid, subject, and topics for your file. Grid and subject will be selected from the list of options available here. But as for the topics, if one you want is not on the list, you can type in the name you want right here, in its own field, and it will become part of the list of registered topics. Below, we can indicate the type of visibility of this content, whether it will be public content, only for teachers, or for all authenticated users. Finally, we will be able to inform you whether or not this content can be edited by other users. Then click on Upload so that your website is downloaded into your C3 microcloud. In other words, when you go to access it, you won't need connectivity. Just click, and you'll be able to browse the site without the need for internet, as it's now inside your C3 microcloud. Critical Links thanks you for your attention.